How to draw Gregoria, step by step. To begin, we're going to start off by making one big circle right in the center of the page. Now right below and to the right, we're going to begin to make the first arm. Now we will make one big curved line. This will connect the big C-like shape to the right arm that we just made. Great start learning how to draw 𝐼𝐵𝐾𝐭. Next up on the right side of the page, we're going to begin to make the wings along with the tail. Awesome! Next up, right below the torso, we're going to begin to make 2 feet. Wow, so far this is coming along very well. Now on the left side of the page, we're going to begin to make the second arm, as well as add some detail to the chest. Inside of those lines that we just made, we're going to add some U-like shapes. Now let's move up top. We're going to begin to make the right ear along with 2 eyebrows. Now to the left of what we just made, we're going to begin to make the second ear, as well as add some detail to the top of the head. Now for one of the last steps, we're going to begin to make the nose, mouth, and eyes. The nose will look similar to a heart-like shape. Above to the left and right of the nose, we will make the eyes. Now last but not least, we'll make the mouth. The mouth will have a total of 3 teeth. This is how to draw Gregoria from Vampirina. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color in our drawing together.